Welcome back. Now, naturally, in order to use Wishlist Member, you are going to need to have a WordPress installation. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to go inside of our control panel and we're going to install a WordPress website. And to do that, we're going to go inside of our cPanel or control panel. Now, every control panel is different. So what you're going to do now is you're going to find the area where you can install a WordPress website. In the case of this panel, we're going to have a WordPress manager. We're going to go into that link. Once we get to the WordPress manager, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new site. What we're then going to do is we're going to go inside of the advanced configuration and we're going to put this website inside of a certain subdirectory. This is going to require us to create an admin user, password, and then create the website. Once your site is installed, you'll then go to this area in order to log in. You'll then use the login and password that you created. You're then going to log in. You'll then have a new WordPress website or installation. You're now ready to install your Wishlist Member plugin. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.